Thous wins Capricorns 2-person tent. 2-person ultralight tent 15D for 20T Ripstop Nylon with silicone on both sides. Net weight 790 g. Suitable for camping, hiking, mountaineering, cycling, fishing and other scenarios. If the tent is reasonably maintained, it can be used for 5 to 10 years, and the service life is more than double that of ordinary tents. 1. Ultralight 15D for 20T Ripstop Nylon with silicone on both sides. The advantage of both side silicone fabric is that it is super light and the tear strength is more than 5 times that of single silicone fabric. But the reason why few tents use it is, the sewing process is very demanding and there is no way to achieve mass production. Many tents will be moldy if they are not dried in time after use on rainy days. But the quick drying and strong corrosion resistance of double-sided silicone do not need to worry about the problem of mold, even if you do not unfold to dry. But it is better to dry in the sun, so as to extend the service life of the tent. 2. The world's first tent without pressure glue process. The world's first high-tech products without pressure glue process. The tent has no pressure glue and no glue coating at all splices. Through a special sewing process plus expansion line to achieve waterproof effect, the world's first technology. 3. Comfortable large space design. There is plenty of space inside the tent, and it is comfortable to sit or lie down without crowding. Wide field of view. 1-year quality guarantee. Features. Brand, Thous wins. Type, Capricorns 2-people tent. Color, black, brown, green. Model No, TWDM18. Suitable, hiking, camping. Suitable seasons, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Specifications. Number of doors, 1 door. Number of vents, 2 PCs. Flysheet tent fabric 15D for 20T nylon ripstop both sides silicone. Waterproof index PU 2000mm WR. 254 *12075 108 cm. Tent floor, 15D for 20T nylon ripstop both sides silicone. Waterproof index PU 2000mm WR. Inner tent fabric, 15D nylon mesh, 200 by 66 by 108 cm. Pole, 125 cm trekking pole, sold separately. Package size, 23 by 13 cm. Net weight 790 g. Package weight 887 g, include J-stake *8 rope *2.